Vaibhav. Along with my class, welcome you all in the pleasant morning assembly. A new day means a fresh start and new opportunities. Let's greet the day with open arms and listen to the sloka recited by Prem.
Good morning everyone, I am the chief of Todi. Now I am telling about Bhagavad Gita sloka. Ahimsa satya vakrojaha tyaga shanti rape sunam daya bhuteshwaro lukam madhavam nirachapalam. Thank you.
Thank you, Prem. Some days we are eager. Oh God, help us to be late and not many. In some ways we are evil. Oh God, help us to be here and create in us the soul of service, the spirit of peace, renew in us the sense of joy, the sense of the pledge. I request everyone to sit to right down and repeat it after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied riches. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and give them courtesy. To my country and my people, I press my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along last my happiness journey. Thank you, Gokul, for reminding our duties.
Empty-minded devil's workshop. So let us tune our mind to think something positive today. And to do that, I invite T.S. Sanisha to present the thought for the day.
A pleasant morning to respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I, T.S. Sanisha from class 3rd D. Thought for the day. Life is not about expecting, hoping and wishing. It's about doing, being and becoming. It's about learn from the mistakes of others. You can't live long enough to make them all yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, Anisha. Learning never stops and knowledge never ends. With the new day, new strength comes and new thoughts occupy our minds. Inviting M. Sarthi to present before us the topic of the day, New Year Eve. Good morning, respective teachers and my dear friends. My name is Satvik Madidi and I am from 3rd D. First of all, I wish you a happy new year. Today I will speak about my new year resolutions. From 1st January onwards, I want to get up early by 6 o'clock. I will do my exercise regularly. I will eat fruits and vegetables daily. I want to take one piggy bank for saving. I will keep my room clean. I am going to stop wasting food. This year I am going to learn abacus. I will drink more water. I would not pass personal information to strangers. I would be friends with everyone and not fight. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Satvik. Do you know, friends, another form of expression is dance and beautifully works to refresh our mind. Welcoming my friends of class 3D to present the dance performance.
I am P. Mithil Krishna, Class 3D, presenting today's news. Government issues guidelines for vaccination of 15 to 18-year-olds. Delhi reports 331 COVID-19 cases. Night curfew from today. Resident doctors call for total shutdown after police action. India beats Afghanistan in under-19 Asia Cup. Andhra Pradesh tops in GJ ranking in agriculture and allied sectors. 6 Omicron cases in Andhra Pradesh. Clear Coats campaign launched in Vizag to protect beaches from plastic. Deloitte recruits 25 GTAM students. KL Rahul likely to lead India in India tour of South Africa. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mithil. GK is very important and the group required in every part of our life. So for some more knowledge, I would like to call Somjit Dikshit for some GK questions. Good morning everyone. I am Somjit of class 3D. Today I am going to ask some GK questions. The first question is, in what ancient country were eggs given as gifts on New Year's Day? The correct answer is Persia. The second question is, which nation celebrates the New Year first? The correct answer is Kiribati, an island nation in the Central Pacific. The third question is, who revised the Julian calendar and made the start of the new year to January 1? The correct answer is Pope Gregory XIII. The fourth question is, from which Roman god does the month of January get its name? The correct answer is Roman god Janus. And the fifth question is, what is one of the top New Year's resolution? The correct answer is to exercise more and lose